Hey guys, today we're going to look at one of these tyre inflators, the portable ones, come with a battery. If you remember the last one, the Go ate the instructions, not this time, I've locked them away. So this one's a little bit of a different format than the previous one. It comes in a generic box, don't even know the make. All the others I've used so far have been long and thin and look like they came out of the same factory. This one's a little bit different, which is why I thought I would try it out. The instruction booklet, wireless touchscreen portable air pump. That's all it says, and then some instructions. Now, we're not going to read that, we're going to make it up as we go along. Little bag. Yeah, I think this is it. This is really all it is. The light on the top, as is customary. There's also the hose connection. In the bottom there's charging, and you can obviously use this for a power pack, plugging into the USB-C there. There's an on-off switch here, so I think you press and hold that, hopefully. Wow, yeah, and you probably can't see that because the sun's out. So that's one of the first issues. Even if I put it in the wheel well there, it's difficult to make out the numbers. Now that's an issue. Not something I was expecting. Okay, let's have a look at the accessories we have. Probably pretty standard. Yep, charging cable, pumping up your sports equipment. Oh, and it's a nice clip-on, like a not quite an air chuck, but yes, a cheap air chuck. Better than what I had on the previous one, which is a screw-in. Obviously, this part does screw in, and okay, that's on. Of course, it's just literally just turned off. So there's obviously a self timer where it turns itself off. Get it back on. Now, I think it's saying battery's full. It's on 25 psi, and we want about 35. If we press and hold, it will ramp up to, that's 37. We don't want to go that high. Let's go to 35. Take off the cap. Pretty windy today, so I've got the little mic on. Hopefully that's working better. Let's have a look. Okay, so this says that it has it must be 2 bar. So the top scale is measuring in bar, which is really not what we want. I have my glasses. As if by magic, I could see better, maybe. Yeah, it's measuring in bar for some reason. But okay, let's go. So there's another on-off switch here, which I'm guessing is the go button. And that's not 35, that is 3.5 bar. This is the problem with this screen. So let me see if I can cycle through different modes. Nope, don't want that, do we? Cycle through the modes, okay. Yeah, okay, that's better. That's better. So now that's given me 30 psi is what's in it. That sounds about right. Now let's ramp that up. Obviously should have read the instructions. Makes things much easier, doesn't it? Yeah, we're going to 33. So we'll leave that there and see what it does. We're starting at 30. 33. So what I usually find on this size of tyre with these pumps is usually around 1 psi per minute is what we're getting. Yeah, like I said, this seems a little quieter. The hose is hot because we're shoving a lot of air through, certainly around this point, which is good we have the silicone rubber on there because I think that's going to be pretty hot to touch directly. Still can't see a damn thing on the screen, although the sun is just going in, so maybe you can make that out now. Not sure. Don't know if I like the touch screen or not, but yeah, it did the job. The other thing to remember here, I mentioned it earlier, is the charging ability of, whoa, that's the problem with the touchscreen. You see, you can just randomly press anywhere. And what I was saying is that this has a higher capacity battery. I think this is 10,000 milliamp hours or 10 amp hours. The other ones I've used are more around 6,000 milliamp hours. So greater capacity. I've not tested that, but that's what it's stating. So the question I was asking before our video cut off was, would I buy it? Yes, I probably would. I don't like the screen as much, but the extra power, I think that's a good thing. So up to you guys, but that's the information you need. Catch you later. Thanks for joining. Bye.